today we got a Shopee order that we're gonna unbox.
This table.
And then I'm gonna put together with help.
Let's see if we can assemble this
Yeah,
one.
let's see. But yeah, we bought a desk for the room, and it's gonna sit, well,
Right here.
right here, where she's standing. So.
Right here. Shopee unbox.
Yeah, Shopee unboxing. It's not a big desk. It's a laptop desk. So.
Let's go down. Normal size.
Normal size. I plan on going to school, so I need a desk. There's some food.
That's bubbles.
Lots of bubble wraps. Kids are gonna take that and play with it. This is surprisingly cheap on Shopee. This is like 1,600 pesos. That's $30. More. Lots of tape.
See?
Let's see.
Again.
Lots of trash. Here.
The screw. Which color is this?
Ah, sweet. It comes with a screwdriver. Nice.
Good luck.
Yeah. Good luck.
Cigarette. Toot toot. This had is for like this.
Yeah. Like that.
There are instructions.
We're hoping there's
What's in the
instructions in here because any other Shopee order we've had that requires some kind of assembly and doesn't come with instructions. You
There's
just
instructions, Chinese.
look, yeah. Picture on the side of the box.
With the Chinese reading.
Yeah, with Mandarin. It's joyful. Because Shopee is Chinese. Yeah. See what I mean? Is
What's this?
this is the desk. So how much shorter it is than the box.
So here just
Oh, there's more stuff down in there. And the last part. I know, I'm just looking at it. Alright, well, joy to the world, it looks like there's no instructions. Oh, here it is. Nice. There we go.
assembly instructions.
Looks simple in there.
See.
Maybe.
One.
Huh?
Next one.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright.
Which one first? Other side.
Yeah. You're not gonna film us putting this together, are you? Because this is gonna take a while, probably.
Just fast forward.
Alright, well, we've unboxed it. Now we're gonna put it together and we'll show you what it looks like when we're done.
A few minutes later.
Looks like we made the first step. Small drawer. More to go.
That's
It's
the
very
first thing
fun.
to do on the piece of paper. So here we go. Now, second drawer. And then we move on to.
Third. How many drawers then?
No, no,
Three?
just two.
Just 2 drawers?
Just 2.
I thought it's 3 drawers.
No, no, just two. Delaware.
Then, see? Very small.
Yeah, it's very small.
Oh, you screw it already. This one. Hi.
Huh?
What? Like this. And then I need to screw off. Tight. Tight.
The shelf. Drawer.
Like. Hold on. It's loose. Okay. Remove it again.
Now remove it.
Relax. Hold on. Okay, I'll do the other. This one's good.
Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa.
Where's the
Where's the hole?
where's the hole? Oh,
It doesn't want to be tight, just-
it's gonna be tight on this
Right.
one. It's not like we're building a building small house.
Yeah, small house. For Jim Jim.
This is wider than because this is small.
Yeah.
So, guys, we're nearly finished. We're
Nearly.
sweating a lot.
Yeah. Nearly finished. Not too bad. We took a little break halfway through. Now we're back to finishing it.
Nearly.
Nearly. We just got this thing in the drawer or something to finish.
We have more screws in here. I guess it's only extra.
Yeah.
You
It's
see?
only
We're
extra.
sweating.
Yeah, we're sweating.
Done.
Huh? Almost. Go.
Hey guys, so this is the finished product after a few hours.
Yeah, well,
This is frustrating.
yeah, a little bit frustrating. But it's together. It's our first project that we did together.
Yeah.
And she didn't kill me, so that's good.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you have any comment, just comment below. Please don't forget to subscribe and share the videos. See you in the next vlog.